Alright guys, welcome back. I thought I would do a quick comments corner before I go to bed on the so-called Chromebooks, the Unreal laptops. No, I didn't say that. The other company did, not me. Alright, well let's take a look at the video here. Are Chromebooks real laptops? Don Quixote, what's up? Are these the type of questions you ask yourself? I mean, why does it matter? My reply was yes. I have suffered through many sleepless nights wondering about that commercial. I'm joking, of course. Hey, it wasn't me, it was the other company, which I found to be somewhat comical because I believe Google or Asus or one of the companies is coming out with a touchscreen Chromebook for about $300. So I'm sure this is all coincidence, right? Val Hakun was up. According to Microsoft, for 6 months I've been doing all my work on something that is not a real laptop. I must be some kind of wizard, I guess. Hey, wizard. What's up, wizard? You really like it? That was my reply, and Val replies, yep, I do like my Chromebook. Got it as a secondary laptop. And a few weeks later realized that it became my primary one. Cool. It's great for casual stuff and writing. Now my powerful Windows laptop just sits there collecting dust, waiting for those rare moments when I need to use professional software or want to play heavy games on it. I'm intrigued. You gave up, for the most part, your Windows laptop, which many believe does more, but in your situation, it's not really needed. Very interesting. Okay, let's see. Amelia Hartman. Hello, Amelia. For me, I want to try this. Tried it. Your device is not supported by Chrome Brew yet. I guess there's a lot of conversation here. Demon Unix, sorry. Chrome Brew not supported because the maker only has 86, I guess support for 86, so I think you get ARM version working with it. Okay, fine. Let's see what's going on here with these replies real quick. Let's see. Tom Prox, hi Tom. They have no OS, a cloud computer, nothing more. It's a gateway to the internet where you can use Google's cloud tools to do work, disconnect from the internet, not try to do something. I'm tired of fanboy mentalities. It is what it was made for, a cloud access device. Well, some of these higher end ones do have a substantial hard drive, and I believe you can save your, say, like documents, for example, on the hard drive and download games and actually work or proceed to do stuff on the Chromebook without actually accessing the internet, if that is correct. There was a bunch of conversation here. Amelia says, what qualifies as an OS? Let's see. The reality, real or reality kid. Hey there. An operating system is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer programs. Chrome OS fits this description. Yeah, I would say so. All right, some more conversations here. Thank you, by the way, for the conversations, all of you guys. Tom, Demonix, Amelia, Demon Unix. I really didn't mean this to be controversial. I just found the commercial during the, I think it was the last Sunday night football game or Monday night. I can't remember. I just found the commercial to be strange timing, considering, like I said, there is a touchscreen Chromebook coming out for about $300. All right, let me get to some other folks here. Once again, thank you for all of your comments. Everything Cool says the Chromebooks are low spec. Some of them, but not all of them. Garth, how are you, sir? It doesn't matter whether the OS is on the drive or somewhere like a USB or cloud. Of course, they're real. Yeah, I would have to say so. Don McCullough, hello there. Define real for the fast. Yeah, for the vast majority of people that do nothing but surf the web. A Chromebook is as real as they come. If you mean by productivity, there are a few Google apps like Docs that allow you to perform some work with it. Yes, that's true. They are real laptops. I just had a thought. I had bought a Google Nexus 7 tablet for my son, supposedly for school, because his mom said, apparently one of the teachers said he should have one. And I was thinking to myself, he's not going to use it. I just don't think he is. Anyway, I don't want to argue, so I bought it, and sure enough, our son is not using it. Maybe a laptop, maybe your Chromebook may have been better. Anyway, it's just a thought. Georgie Georgiev. Hello. Real laptop? Laptos. Oh, it's my laptop. It's a Toss lap. Anyway, what's up, Georgie? Maybe notebooks sound better. Well, I think they're, well, I guess you'd call it a notebook, but notebooks are usually smaller, right? Obey the robots. I will not. I will terminate them. Okay, it's true Chromebooks are low spec laptops, and yes, they are for real. The questions you should be asking are these: is it right for my daily computing needs? Maybe. I don't know. Do I want to play games on my computer? Is this is this going to be my main computer or a backup? Good questions. Am I comfortable working with a cloud-based computer instead of storing files and programs on my hard drive? Uh, Certainly, relevant questions and questions that consumers need to ask before you go out and purchase something like this. I mean, it's clear that there is a market for these laptops because apparently it's the number one selling laptop on the Amazon store. James 64468. I would have to own a Chromebook to know the answer. Fair enough. In my book, the Chromebook has low specs. Again, some of them do, but not all of them. Okay, let's see, Amelia, welcome back, I guess. The problem with this poll is the majority of people don't know what Chromebooks are. Just read through the comments. You will see people saying that Chromebooks are only for web browsers or just cloud computers can't do anything, etc. Due to Google's poor advertising, I guess they kind of don't have a lot of advertising, do they? People don't realize that Chromebooks can run native software just like any other operating system. Yeah, something like this, it might be best just to go to the Chromebook, to the Chrome OS website and just get some more information on what they can and cannot do. Thank you for the comments, Amelia. Let's see. Fishman loves Linux. Cool. Chromebooks vary from manufacturer to manufacturer in their functionality. For instance, Acer made a Chromebook that has no internal hard drive storage but provides basically the Chrome browser plus minimal OS. Just because a person may have a Chromebook that has the full function of a laptop is not sufficient proof that all Chromebooks work the same, I would say so. These companies develop their flavor with various specs to keep the price range down for sale bolsters. Yeah, I would say so. I personally do not like cloud accounts due to privacy issues. That's certainly another thing to consider. Yeah, there are a wide range of Chromebooks. Didn't Google come out with one that was over $1,000? I think it was called the Pixel, something like that. All right, a few more. Theodore Thorpe, what's up? I used to own a Acer Chromebook. They are just horrible. Sorry to hear that. They may be considered a real laptop for the average person, but there are many things that Chromebooks cannot do. Okay, all you have is Google Chrome. That's all you got. Well, it's the Chrome OS and the Chrome apps. Don't buy one, especially since most Windows laptops are in the same price range. I can do much more. Maybe some Windows laptops are in the price range, but once again, it all depends what you are looking for. Graham Linux says tablets are taking over from laptops and desktops, and that is what Microsoft is scared of. Yeah, I would say tablets are very popular. I mean, to me, a smartphone is, well, most smartphones are a miniature tablet. Most smartphones are miniature versions of tablets, even though some of them, like the Galaxy Note and Mega, are getting bigger. But yeah, I would have to say tablets are definitely very popular. Shadow 7, www Shadow 7 says that if it has a keyboard, if it detaches, a USB port, and you can boot alternative operating systems 2 out of the 3, yeah, I guess that makes it a laptop, right? Rainy OS. Nope. Okay. Siva Mahalingam. Sorry if I said that wrong. Yes, Microsoft's Baghdad Bob ad smear campaign. Where are the Chromebooks? I don't see any Chromebooks. They are not selling. They are not real. Reminds you one of Hitler Saddam last days in the bunker. Desperation. Ouch. Well, once again, I think it's suspicious timing that there is a $300 touchscreen Chrome OS Chromebook coming out and this commercial that I saw last week. Oh, let's see. Zach Buckler. My Dell is old. It runs Vista. I tried to download Office 365, would not run. So I ask you, is it a laptop? Microsoft says no. My next laptop will run Chrome OS. Cool. And I guess it will always run a set of tools fast. Terrific. Let me know if you buy one. Check it out. Go to the Total OS Today shop and buy one from there, if you will. Zachary Jones. What's up, Zachary? All it takes for a computer to be a laptop is, well, a computer that folds in an L shape that you can carry around and put on your lap. Hey, don't forget the battery. Now, as for whether it's as good as a different kind of a laptop, I'd say no. I've got Chrome, Steam, Fraps, iTunes open right now. Chromebook can use exactly one of those things. So it can't say it's a good replacement. Way too dumbed down. For some people, sure. Steve Sharp, no, they are Chromebooks. You are completely reliant on Google to do anything with it, so I would not say it's a real laptop. But once again, it's, with the hard drive, you should be able to do something off the cloud or offline. Tank Commando 1776, what do you mean by real? Did you imagine one of these Chromebooks real as you can touch? Well, maybe Microsoft imagined them. I don't know. Mr. Voidful, it is a real laptop only as long as it works for you and satisfy your needs and expectations for the device. That's a very good observation. Look, if it does what you want it to do, then great. So, Adam Thung to toss today. Watch Chris Pirillo's video on Chromebook versus real laptop. Yeah, I did. I think he says. I mean, he expanded on it, but I believe he says, of course, it's a real laptop. Woda 8080 says, yes, laptop is a laptop. Okay. Technoobs.com. I like that. In short, to me, no, they are not the traditional laptops, okay, but a new kind and should not be labeled as laptops and should have a different name. Okay, we'll just call them Chromebooks, right? Jan Lopez says, not. And the last one, Philip Santos, keyboard, mousepad, screen, battery, operating system, so I'd say so. Okay, despite the OS working differently from a traditional OS, it's still, in the physical sense, a laptop. Yeah, I think that pretty much, sums it up as far as Chromebooks go. I mean, as you can see here on the Amazon bookstore, there are, plenty of choices here. If this is what you're looking for, starting for as little as $200 for low specs, but maybe I should have got something like this for my son. I don't know. All right, well that's it. Thank you for watching and listening. Happy holidays. Drive safe if you are driving out in nasty weather. And as always, I will catch all of you sometime in the future.